Let's learn about the United States of America. Let's learn some facts about the Arizona state. Arizona is located in the southwestern part of the United States of America. The capital of Arizona is Phoenix. The city in Arizona with the most people is Phoenix. It officially became a state on February the 14th in 1912. It covers 113,990 square miles. Because of its large area, it is the sixth largest state in the USA. Is only on one time zone. This time zone is called the Mountain Time Zone. The state flower is the saguaro cactus. The state fish is the Arizona trout. The state bird is the cactus wren. Hi everyone, Skye here of Skye's Workshop. Remember to check out playlists to get you to your favorite categories of videos. And remember to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.